đã nói cho cô cho cái tuyến bộ nữa để cô用好here rồi trên đây nữa. This is my smoked pig tail. I'm gonna chop it and then stew with my gai choy. This is, I say wrong, but it's you choy, not gai choy. Giờ rót trên đây nữa, chia rong số này. Có một chỗ tao lên nó chỉ có dùng cho mong hao nữa. The water is boiling. I'm gonna add my meat into it. And then I'm going to wash my veggie and put into it. Rau trên đây để rong lên nó này. This is what you try look like. It's not gai choy. Meat is boiling. It's about time to add the veggie into it. Add the stem first because the you try I break in half. This is homemade only. We don't have in the restaurant. We only buy and we made it. This is the simple food only. Chọn rau đồ nó chỉ có tao chỉ sẽ nó tao ta là chỉ mua nó. Only your móng lên sẽ nó. It's ready. Xà nó rau mùa nữa. Ready to eat now. I'm going to turn off the stove and soup. One thing I forgot to tell you, I add about a tablespoon of salt and a little bit of MSG inside too. So that's how we make it. Now it's serving time. Thank you for watching. This is